square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. This is our question, and now we will go to factorize this. So we can see here, this is a square minus b square, and if we see carefully, this is b square plus 2bc minus c square. That means this is a formula of b plus c whole square. So we can write a square. Now take the common of minus b. This will and this will. Minus we will take the common, so we can write this b square plus c square, and now we can write here add this 2bc. If we see carefully, okay, if we take the common whole minus from this section, so this will change in minus and this will change in plus. So you can see a square minus c carefully. This is a formula of b a plus b. That means the a square plus c square minus 2bc is a formula of b minus c whole square. If you assume b minus c will total, this bracket will b and this will a. So again it will the form a square minus b square, and it will become in one bracket a plus b and another bracket a minus b. So according to that, it means this formula we can change this both. So this will a whole a square and this whole will b square. So we can write in one bracket a minus this b. So b is value minus b minus c. And now another bracket a plus b means a plus, and value of b is b minus c. So now our answer a minus b plus c. We will multiply this minus in this bracket, and here is a plus b minus c. So our answer is this. Hope you have understand. Next question. So question number 18. Question 18 is 4a square minus 4b square plus 4a plus 1. So we will see here 4a square, 4a plus 1. Now we will write first this 4a square plus 4a plus 1 minus 4b square. Now we can write this 2a whole square plus this we can write 2 into 2a and plus 1 and minus 4. Also we can write this 2b whole square. If we see carefully, this is a formula of 2a plus 1 whole square, and now minus this 2b whole square. Now this will become this total value. If we assume this total value a square and this will b square, so this will the formula a square minus b square. So according to formula, if we assume this a and this total will b, so we can write here a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square is a minus b in one bracket, a plus b in another bracket. So according to this, we can write this. The value of a is this total. So we can write here 2a plus 1. And the value of minus b is this 2b. Now another bracket a. The value of a is this 2a plus 1 and plus the value of b is 2b. So now our answer is, in one bracket 2a. We can write literal value in one side. So 2a, 2b plus 1. And here 2a plus 2b plus 1. So this is our answer.